Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post reels on Facebook. The process is a little different than Instagram, but it's very simple. Let's dive in. Launch the Facebook app first. Then I want you to click on the top right corner and click on the plus sign. You will have the option to click reel. Now let's pick what we want to upload, right? I select this one over here. Now the difference over here is that the menu that you usually will have when you're publishing reels on Instagram is quite smaller and it's positioned on the right side. The options that you have actually are very similar. You have an option to add audio, you can add music. The main difference is that you're able actually to reduce your original audio over here, because if you add voiceover or if you add music, you don't want to have all these audios that are mixing together. So you want to make sure that you reduce your original audio when you add music or voiceover. This is very important. The next step, of course, you want to add text. This is something that it's very similar. You can make the text bigger and smaller just by moving the sizer on the side, right? Nothing special. Also, you can add a small stickers that looks like a gift, right? Very interesting, especially if you have like a promotion or a swipe up link. It's cool. Next option is effects. I don't find this too crazy, too helpful, I would say. I just find that the quality of these are not so good. Maybe this one looks okay because it's kind of vintage, right? Then you also have a stickers. On the sticker you can actually not only add all these small celebrations, small notes, but you also have emojis over here underneath. And there is a quick settings on the top where you can actually click emojis. We can click gifs and you can actually search for the gif you're looking for. It's very similar to the actual Instagram reels. Then the last option, of course, is that you can actually save what you just created. Some people are just creating the actual content here and they go and they publish the content on TikTok, they publish it on Twitter, right? So you can do so by simply clicking save. Then you press next, and here the option is very similar to the ones that you usually will have, the panel right before publishing. The main difference over here I'm gonna share with you is that first of all, you can actually opt in for monetization. As you can see here, earn money, and you will be rewarded by people tipping you and giving you stars. And also you will see a small folder next to the post, right? You probably wonder, is this where we can actually schedule the post? Same thing that we usually have on Instagram, right? That's not the case. Here you can actually save the video as a draft, and the video will stay here for up to 60 days. Meaning that when you click save as a draft, you will simply have this video somewhere stored. You don't have a particular folder like you have on Instagram, right? Or on TikTok. So then every time when you go and try to publish new picture or video, Facebook will send you a reminder and will tell you that, you still have this reel that you didn't publish. Do you want to publish it right now? And this is how you publish reels on Facebook, guys. I understand it's quite similar, but it's also quite different. I don't publish much reels on Facebook. I prefer to do it on the Instagram, simply because the algorithm works better over there, and I believe the transition and the functions are much better. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.